Hello everyone, I'm a household man and I have multiple vehicles, including a four-wheeler, and I love to spend my weekends washing them. I've been through a few pressure washers in my life, but I have to say, the Joe SPX3000 2030 Max PSI is a game changer. Let me tell you, I used to spend a fortune at the car wash, but since I got this pressure washer, I've saved a ton of money. It's so easy to use, and the power it delivers is simply amazing. This pressure washer has made my car washing routine so much more enjoyable and efficient. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, why would I want to wash my own cars? Well, let me tell you, not only does it save you money, but it's also a fun way to spend your weekend. Plus, you get to see the results of your hard work immediately. I have to say, I was a little skeptical at first, but the Joe SPX3000 has exceeded my expectations. The power, the ease of use, and the versatility of this pressure washer are just fantastic. I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a quality pressure washer. And the best part, you can now get this amazing pressure washer for 15% off if you click the link in the description below. Yes, that's right, 15% off. So, why wait? Click the link in the description now and get your hands on the Joe SPX3000 2030 Max PSI today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Oh, and did I mention you can get 15% off if you click the link in the description? Because you can. And you should. Click the link in the description below and treat yourself to the best pressure washer out there. Thanks for watching, and happy car washing!